Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will look at the best settings for MSI monitor for PS5, Xbox and gaming. As you can see, I am in the Reddit where people provide the solution of your problem. As you can see, here is the best setting for your MSI monitor. First, game mode, racing. This mode delivers vibrant and lively colors compared to user or other modes, though it has some minor downsides that we will address shortly. Second, night vision off. Third, refresh rate fast. Fourth, adaptive sync on. Fifth, image enhancement weak. Sixth, brightness should be 40. This works well for dark room, but you can adjust its based on your environment. Seventh, contrast 80. In the last, color temperature cool. Here is the important note. If did not mention a specific setting, leave it at its default, like 0 or off. For example, sharpness should be set to 0. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.